Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you remove a green screen from your video and how can you put any type of background that you want in your video. So first of all, you need to record any video in front of green screen and then drag your video to Premiere Pro. So once you drag and drop your video into Premiere Pro, then drag your video from here to your timeline so that your video will appear like this, that you are looking right here in the screen. So right now you can see that there is a green background behind this person. So what is the logic in the green or blue background that you should use green or blue? So green or blue background colors are not available in our skin, so that's why we are using green or blue background in our screen removing process, and this is also called the VFX. VFX means removing any green screen from a video and placing another background in it. So first of all, you need to go to your effects and write there Ultra key. Okay, so once you write it down, then this key will appear. So you need to drag this key from this place and drop it on your video. So once you drop this Ultra key over there, then you will see all the properties of Ultra key right here in this place. First of all, you need to do is click on this eyedropper tool and pick the color from anywhere on this screen. So once you click there, you can see that it is completely black, means that the background is removed, but it was not removed completely. You need to go over there and select alpha channel. Once you select alpha channel, now you can see clearly that these places are remaining in your video. So those places which are white in color will be remain in your video, and those places which are black, they will be removed from your video. So how can we remove all these things, and how can we clear our subject? So you have to click on this meta generation, and right there you need to lower your highlight to 0, and right here you have to put 40, means that you have to put 40 or something else for your shadows, or if you have a lot of shadows in your video, so you can remove all the shadows right here. Okay, and tolerance means the intensity of the color, so you need to extend it to 100%, and you need to increase the pedestal to 100%. Okay, so you now you can see that a lot of places are become clear. The background is removed completely, I think. If something is remaining, then you can click on the meta cleanup, and right there you can increase the choke, you can decrease the choke, and you can play with all these things. Okay, but right now I'm cancelling these meta cleanup. Now I'm going to convert my mode to composite. So right now you can see that the background is removed completely, and now again I can put another background in behind this video. Okay, so I want this background to be in my video, so I drag it and drop it right here, and I will drag my video up to upper line, and then you need to drag your picture or anything that you want to be to put it in your background. So now you can see that in this video you can see the background is removed, and there is something remaining, but this is the shadow, because this video is not too much clear, that's why the background is not removed completely. Now I'm going to show you another video which is very clear and which is very light video. It means that there is a lot of light in that video, so we can remove the background from that video. When you have light in your video, you can remove its background very clearly and very quickly. Okay, so first of all, I deleting all these things, and I drag this video into my timeline, and now you can see that this video is very clear, and there are a lot of light in this video. So now you have to drag the Ultra key and drop over the video, and you have to come to this place. First of all, you need to pick any color from your screen. Right from here I can pick the color, and now you can see that it remove a little bit thing from the screen, but you need to pick the color from a place where the light is much more. And now you have to write there 0, and over there I am entering 35, and tolerance is going to 100, and pedestal is also going to 100. So now you can check your video and alpha channels that if something is remaining, so you can see that there is some highlights remaining over there. So how can you remove all these highlights? Click the eyedropper again and click over there. So now you can see that nothing, I think, in our video is remaining, and it is become very clear. Okay, so that was all about removing any green screen from your background. And now I'm going to put any background into this video, so you will see. So this is a background which I have imported for our last video. So I'm going to put it down the video. So now you can see that the background from this video is removed completely, and now you can see that it is clear, and you can put anything in this background, like you can put any animation or any type of background into your video. So that's a simple way to remove any green screen from your video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need to watch much more videos like this, so you have to subscribe to our channel and like to our video. Thank you so much for watching this video.